Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Mount Elgin, Ontario, a charming and peaceful community located in the heart of southwestern Ontario. As you drive through this quaint village, you'll be surrounded by the serene beauty of the countryside, with its rolling farmlands, lush greenery, and the gentle, rolling hills that give Mount Elgin its name. Mount Elgin has a rich history that dates back to the early 19th century when it was first settled by pioneers. The village was named after Lord Elgin, a prominent figure in Canadian history, and it quickly became a hub for agriculture and milling. The Sydenham River, which runs nearby, provided the necessary water power for early industries, helping the community to thrive. Today, you can still see remnants of this historical past in the architecture and local landmarks that dot the area. One of the highlights of Mount Elgin is its proximity to nature and outdoor activities. The surrounding countryside offers plenty of opportunities for hiking, birdwatching, and exploring the natural beauty of the region. The nearby conservation areas and parks provide a perfect escape for those who love the outdoors, with trails and pathways that wind through forests and along the riverbanks. Agriculture remains a key part of life in Mount Elgin, and the area is known for its fertile farmland and successful farming operations. As you drive through the village, you'll see vast fields and orchards that contribute to the local economy and provide fresh produce to the region. As you continue your journey through Mount Elgin, take a moment to appreciate the peacefulness and simplicity of this delightful Ontario village. Its rural beauty, combined with the warmth of its people, makes it a special place to visit. Thanks for watching!